Good morning, student. Today we are going to study about reserve and accumulated profit in admission chapter. So, what is the accounting treatment? Before going to accounting treatment, we have to know what is the accumulated profit and reserve. My dear student, it is a part of liability section in the balance sheet. Profit and loss account, credit balance means profit. General reserve, workmen compensation reserve, investment fluctuation fund. These are all things which is going to be distributed among the old partners. There are two other things which appears in the asset side. That is called this will going to appear in the asset side of balance sheet. Asset side of balance sheet. And these following things are going to be appears in the liability side of the balance sheet, and these two will be appears in the asset side of the balance sheet. So advertisement suspense account, that is also known as deferred revenue expenditure, profit and loss account, credit balance, that is means loss. So my dear student, what is the accounting treatment? So before going to accounting treatment, no, I took a one example here also. So accounting treatment here, that profit and loss account, profit and loss account, profit and loss account, that is debited. Reserve, general reserve account is also debited. Workmen compensation account also be debited, and investment fluctuation fund, that also be debited to old partners capital account. Okay, to old partners capital account in old ratio. Let's comes to this side. Advertisement suspense account and profit and loss account, both are the losses. So partners capital account, debit to advertisement suspense account to profit and loss account, which is credit balance in old ratio. Let's comes to the question. A and B are partners sharing profit ratio, that is 5:3. C admitted 1/3 share of profit. On the admission of C, the balance sheet of A and B shows general reserve 60,000 and balance of profit and loss account asset side rupees 20,000. It means it is a loss, just like here it is a loss. Past journal entry. My dear student, it is a very simple how to calculate. So you have to draw the simple what format of journal. Format of journal. In this format you have to record all the transaction in the books of account at the time of admission, because they are going to distribute all the reserve and profit. So you put it here, date, particular, debit, credit. Okay, the first entry, that is general reserve. General reserve is what? How much? 60,000. General reserve account debited to A's capital account to B's capital account. Okay, so general reserve you have 60,000. So what is the old ratio? Old ratio is 5:3. So you have to calculate 60,000 multiply 5/8, 60,000 multiply 3/8. So the first one you will get 37,500, and the second one is 22,500. You put the narration. General reserve distributed in old ratio. You can put it here. General reserve distributed in old ratio. Okay, that is 5:3. 3. Come to the profit and loss account, asset side, that means loss. All the losses is going to be distributed among the old partner A and B in the old ratio. Okay. So what is this? So it is a loss. The partner's capital account is going to be debit. So you put it here, A's capital account, debit, B's capital account, debit to profit and loss account. Profit and loss account, you just put it here, PL account. So what is the value of PL account? 20,000. And what is the ratio? 5:3. So you have to calculate 20,000 multiply 5 by 8, 20,000 multiply 3 by 8. So what is the value? 12,500. 12,500 and another one is 7,500. This you can put it the narration also. Profit and loss account is going to be distributed in the old ratio. My dear student, what is this here? Whatever the general reserve is given in the question, you have to distribute it old ratio. Whatever the workman commission reserve, it should be distributed in the old ratio. Investment fluctuation fund also distributed in the old ratio. The profit balance is given in the liability side, also distributed in the old ratio among the old partner. Come to the asset side. If anything given in the asset side, suppose like advertisement suspense account, profit and loss account, credit balance, that should be distributed in the old ratio. Okay, in the same situation in the given in the question, in A and B are the old partners. So you have seen in the general reserve is given in this question at 60,000. 60,000 going to distributed in the old ratio, that 5 by 8 and 3 by 8. So among the old partner, here 8 partners are A and B. A's capital account, B's capital account is going to be credited. So what is the meaning that why the general reserve and accumulated profit is going to be distributed? Because before admission of any partner, in this case C is not going to be liable to pay any sorts of loss, or C is not going to acquire any reserves and profited whatever they earned before. So before admission of any new partner, the old partner is going to be distribute profit and losses and reserves among them. So I hope you understand this topic. Thank you.